My morning routine with my furry friend, starting the day with some breakfast for my cat. Breakfast time is always an adventure with my cat. They love to lick the plate clean of any food that I serve them. It's a routine now, feeding my cat some boiled eggs. They sit patiently on the table, waiting for their meal. It's a highlight of their day. Boiled eggs are a hit with my cat. They can't get enough of the aroma. Sniffing around the plate, they look so curious and excited. It's an adorable sight to see. Feeding time is always a fun experience. Thanks for watching.